Welcome to this video segment where I am going to go over one of the things that a criminal defense attorney, I believe you should know. My name is Zach Deifelbus. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in the Phoenix area. This video is going to be critically important for you if you happen to ever be contacted by police, hopefully not arrested, but even then. This is the common thing that we believe as all criminal defense attorneys everyone should know. There is no value in arguing your case with the arresting officer. So if a police officer is serving an arrest warrant on you, it doesn't matter if the officer thinks you're innocent or guilty. They have a warrant that gives them the right to arrest you. So if an officer initiates an arrest without a warrant, then they also obviously think you must be guilty, or at least they wouldn't be arresting you without that probable cause. So when you try and argue your side of the case to that arresting officer, at best, you're wasting your breath. At worst, you're making incriminating statements that will cause problems for you later. What you should be saying is that you want a lawyer, because anything else you do say can be used against you. If anything, say nothing other than you want to remain silent. This is so valuable and important. If a police officer has decided that they've met probable cause, then they're going to arrest you. And there's nothing you can say or do at that point to talk them out of it. This is so important that I can almost 100% tell you this for certain. If a police officer pulls you over in your vehicle and they ask you questions, and at some point the officer says, "Please step out of the vehicle," that police officer right there believes they have probable cause to eventually arrest you. So the moment a police officer asks you to step out of your vehicle, you should know that there is nothing else you can say to talk your way out of being arrested. There are no field sobriety tests you can ever pass that will stop you from being arrested at this point. The best thing you can do is say that you have a lawyer, Future First Criminal Law, and you're not going to do or say anything else until you talk to us. And then call us. That way we can help you. But it's important that if you do not follow this advice, whether it's at your house or in public, at a restaurant, at a concert, and you believe that you're being wrongfully arrested, you should not argue with the police. Even if you know you did something wrong, you should not tell the police why you believe they should let you go. The more you say to the police, the more evidence they have to use against you. The only thing that you should ever be saying, if you're not even going to follow the advice I've said so far, is that you are innocent and you did not do it. Then from there, please at least remain silent and ask for a lawyer. This is important that you do not argue with the officers, as sometimes they can get escalated. Officers can learn to be aggressive with you in ways that they've been trained. The more that they argue and you argue, the more force the police are going to use against you. So in order to protect yourself, your future, do not argue with the officers. Instead, contact us, hire us, and let us argue for you in the courtroom. We want to help keep innocent people out of the criminal justice system. We believe there are good people who get arrested every day. Those people do not belong in jail. If anything I've said here affects you or a loved one, please feel free to contact us. We would love to hear from you and schedule a free consultation. We want to help keep good people out of jail.